Anthropic is a highly secretive, top-tier AI laboratory. Under the leadership of CEO Dario Amodei, they heavily market their AI's ability to write perfect, production-ready code. Take their flagship tool, Claude Code. It is an advanced agentic system that autonomously navigates terminal environments and writes complex logic into local files. But the software designed to replace human engineers was just exposed by a distinctly human mistake. An Anthropic engineer made a rudimentary deployment error, accidentally leaking the entire source code of this advanced AI tool to the public. A billion-dollar artificial intelligence company sells the promise of flawless machine automation. A single mistyped command on a keyboard instantly shatters that marketing illusion. The exact point of failure was simple. An unobfuscated file was pushed by mistake to the public NPM package registry. A source map acts as a translator, taking compressed production code and expanding it back into a clean, readable format. This specific map file included direct URLs to Anthropic's R2 storage bucket, allowing anyone to download 1,900 raw TypeScript files straight from the source. This download excludes the AI's core model weights, but it exposes the complete logic and interface code, the command structure that dictates how the AI interacts with the user's machine. By exposing this logic, the internet gained a forensic view into how top-tier engineers design user experience and handle failure. If we navigate the mirrored GitHub repository containing the leak, the file directory reads like a literal map of the AI's capabilities. This architectural diagram visualizes the src/tools/directory. You can see paths branching out to modules like bash tool and file write tool. These modules give the AI its physical ability to act on a computer. Look closely at the code surrounding these tools, and you find a rigid permission system. These tools are tightly guarded to prevent the AI from executing malicious commands without explicit human approval. The agentic AI seen in marketing materials is actually a collection of highly structured traditional software modules that only execute once an LLM provides a specific trigger. The repository also includes a source/services/analytics module. This sets up the discovery of exactly what Anthropic secretly tracks about its user base. This stylized code snippet highlights a core finding of the leak. The code contains explicit telemetry triggers designed to capture data when users swear or direct abusive language at the AI. Anthropic isn't trying to police your tone. They are using human anger as a quantifiable metric for user interface friction and tool failure. The telemetry also monitors how often users type phrases like continue or keep going. That specific data point exposes how frequently the AI arbitrarily gives up and stops generating text mid-response. The chatbot presents itself as an endlessly patient, highly intelligent assistant. Behind that facade, the developers actively rely on measuring human rage to map the boundaries of their AI's competence. Reddit detectives combing through the files quickly uncovered secondary discoveries, starting with an unreleased tier of AI models internally codenamed Capybara and Capybara Fast. They also found undocumented commands, including a hidden buddy feature and an unreleased April Fool's gag. The AI industry frequently projects a sterile, hyper-optimized corporate image. These small, whimsical developer touches stand in sharp contrast to that polish. The developer community reacted immediately to the leak. Thousands of users forked the GitHub repository, rushing to build cheaper, stripped-down clones dubbed mini-Claude. The overarching sentiment on Reddit highlighted the pure irony of the situation. As one user noted, the Anthropic engineers forgot to add "make no mistakes" to their own prompt. This incident exposes a harsh cybersecurity reality regarding supply chain exposure. Once proprietary code hits a public registry, it is permanently open source. We build models with billions of parameters and train them on massive supercomputers, yet their delivery mechanisms are bound by the exact same web technologies and deployment vulnerabilities as any junior developer's website. We treat artificial intelligence as an infallible, magical entity. Pulling back the curtain reveals it is ultimately just a massive JavaScript wrapper, built, broken, and leaked by humans.